Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing the problem from question 8 of assignment 7.3. The question reads out, without a calculator, compute the sine and cosine of 7 pi over 6 by using the reference angle. So if we take a look at the quadrant of 7 pi over 6, it's in quadrant 3. So we're going to write down Q3 right here. And if we look at the reference angle in radians, so we're going to come around quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and then we're going to go down to 7 pi over 6. And then we're going to draw the reference angle all the way back to the closest part right here. And we're going to find a reference angle of pi over 6. And so now that we have the reference angle and we know the quadrant then, what we need to do is we need to find the sine and the cosine of 7 pi over 6. So the reference angle would be pi over 6. And so if we look at sine pi over 6 right here, it's going to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle in which for the formula is 1 down here, 2 down here, and square root of 3 across. So if we look at sine, what sine is its opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of pi over 6, which is 1, and the hypotenuse, which is 2. So we write 1 over 2 for sine. Now, since sine is in quadrant 3, it's negative because sine can only be positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So the sine of 7 pi over 6 would be 1 over 2. And then we would make it negative because it's in quadrant 3. And for cosine of 7 pi over 6, we gotta find the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that would be square root 3 over 2. So square root 3 over 2. And then since it's also in quadrant 3 and cosine is only positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, we would write negative square root of 3 over 2. My strategy for solving this problem was to just make it as methodical as possible and follow all the equations that we were supposed to.